The wearable technology industry has grown tremendously over the last decade, with the sector set to be worth over $50 billion by the end of next year. How are wearable technologies being implemented into the modular industry? One of the ways wearable technology is improving the modular construction industry is through improving safety and efficiency. Workplace injuries should not be commonplace. To mitigate this, wearables in construction can provide real-time data to project managers to monitor the construction process and the workers. This can help lower and prevent fatalities and injuries in the workplace. Items such as smart helmets, smart glasses, and smart vests can provide data directly to the supervisor and health insurance company to lower medical and liability premiums while improving worker health and safety. Making use of smart wearables such as vests, hats, glasses, and boots can help speed up the installation process of the modular design. New wearables in the industry such as exoskeletons, exosuits, and watches can improve worker health and safety and serve as hands-free, safe communication between workers. The wearable industry is rapidly growing and helps to improve the overall construction and design process in the modular industry. To learn more about the technology that we use, contact us today.